Good morning, 6th grade, and welcome to the Art 6 course. My name is Mr. Gellock, and what you're watching is a daily overview video where basically I am walking you through your day's expectations as if you were actually in class yourself to give you that face-to-face time that you all need. You're also welcome to read this on your own, but sometimes the videos help students, so that's why I make these every day. So please make sure you check in every day to watch these videos so you know exactly what you need to do. With that said, you'll notice at the top in this table here, every day you have an essential question and a vocabulary word. You don't have one today because it's the first day of class, but you do have a learning goal. What I want you to focus on today is to understand the class rules, the grading procedures, and course navigation using Schoology, since this entire course is on that online platform. With that said, your task list for today is to watch the student handbook video. So the first thing you're going to do is watch that video. It's a short, 5-minute video or so that explains the class rules and grading procedures. Once you've done that, then you're going to go to the student handbook agreement, and you're going to create your first submission for an easy 2 points. All you have to do is type that you've read the class rules and that you agree to follow all the class rules and procedures. That's it. You can even just type the words "I agree," an easy way just to get 2 points. And then lastly, once you've done those 2 easy things, you're just gonna relax and create your first assignment, which is called My First Drawing. You're just gonna draw an image of really whatever you want without any teacher instruction to give you a specific method or technique to use. You're just gonna think of something that you're interested in. So whether it's a person, a cartoon, like a favorite TV character, something from nature, an animal, a car, a vehicle, whatever it is, you can draw it as long as it's appropriate, and then submit a photo of that drawing to the student progress discussion. This is how you're going to submit your daily work every day in here, because every day you're expected to do some kind of physical work on your project, and you take a photo and you submit it for an easy 3 points every day. So these 2 assignments are basically a good practice of how to get your 5 points every day. Every day is 5 points. Some days you get more, but this is a good practice as to how to submit your assignments, your photos, and your responses. Your materials for the assignment are just a piece of sketch paper from around home, a pencil, and eraser. I'm not worried about color today. I just want to see your drawing itself. And then when it's done, just take the picture and send it to me. That's it for today. If you have any questions, please email me, either at my Carlisle email or through the Schoology email as well. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have, and I look forward to having you all in class. All right, bye everyone.